Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Alcatel Cat 4 LTE LinkHub device, and now I'm gonna show you how to disable or how to enable the roaming on this device. So sometimes when we are moving between cities, we need to have enabled roaming. So to do it, to enable the roaming or to disable the roaming, you need to click on the network in the link hub. So first, of course, you need to get access to the router settings. You can do it entering the 192.168.1.1. Then find here internet connection. Mobile connection. And here you will see the data roaming. You can enable or disable it. For example, I will enable it right now, and now it's enabled. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.